Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel, I Media 7. My name is Dale Vidal. I'm the author of Strong I Am and it's available on Amazon.com. The link is in the comment section if you're interested. So let's continue, shall we? Look at this gate here. It looks like a musician lives there. It just has that appeal. I am a musician. And for those of you who are living in the Gambia, you know that we are not this close to the beach. We're not this close to the ocean. However, if you can see the ocean, you can make this happen. This is a beautiful space, I must say. Look at the color variations of it, and then the stone in the background. A nice afternoon look. Do you see the water flowing from the steps? That has to be so peaceful. Just imagine coming off the road from Brikama and stepping into this space here in Gambia. Oh, so relaxing. And this is what we need here in Gambia. The road is so rough and tough. So when we get home, we want a space where we can relax. Peace.